In this video, you'll learn how to accept jobs on the Wecasa platform using the Wecasa Pro app. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to effectively manage job offers and make the most of your professional opportunities. To begin, ensure you are registered on the Wecasa platform. You can do this by visiting wecasa.co.uk/pro for general registration, or if you are specifically a cleaner, you can go to wecasa.co.uk/pro/cleaner-sign up. Once you enter the appropriate site, fill in the required information, including your name, contact details, and any relevant professional experience. After submitting your registration, you will need to wait for approval before proceeding. Once you receive confirmation of your approval, the next step is to download the Wecasa Pro app. You can find the app in your device's app store. After locating it, click on download or install to add the app to your device. Keep in mind that the app size may affect the download time depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using the credentials you created during registration. After logging into the Wecasa Pro app, you will start receiving job notifications. These notifications will appear on your home screen, alerting you to job offers that match your availability and travel zones. Each notification will provide details about the job, including the type of service requested, the location, and the proposed time. At this point, you have the option to either accept or decline the job offer. To accept a job, simply tap on the notification. After that, you will see a confirmation screen where you can review the job details. Confirm your acceptance by clicking accept. If you choose to decline, you can select decline, and the job will be removed from your notifications. This process allows you to maintain your independence and manage your workload effectively. Additionally, you can customize your work preferences within the app. This includes selecting your preferred travel zones and setting your availability. Look for the settings option in the app's menu. Here, you can adjust your hours, travel areas, and other preferences to ensure that the jobs you receive align with your personal and professional goals. Remember to regularly check your settings to keep your profile updated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.